All right, guys, it's just before 6 o'clock on July 15th, and you can see Democrat in the background. You might be able to see Cameron and Lincoln. But anyway, storms are supposed to start rolling in around noon, so I want to get up here and get this taken care of before I get hit by lightning. Anyway, 414ers today at Decalibron. Here we go. Right there in the middle is Democrat, and you can see the saddle between Democrat and heading over to Cameron. You can see the trail there to an old mine shaft. Actually, I think there's two of them up there. One there and one above it. Hey, look at the old mining shack here, and Kite Lake down there in the distance, right in front of the trailhead. Air's already starting to get thin up here for me. And the first peak where I'm going to. All right in the center there, where all those people are coming down. That's the saddle between Democrat and Cameron. First, we'll take on the left to get up over that way. Once we summit Democrat, we're going to come back down the same way and then head over to Cameron to the right of that saddle. We're up at the saddle here, and you can see there's another old mine shaft sitting here at the top. And up in the background is Democrat. And I'll walk you up to the top here of the saddle. Alright, sitting at the fall summit. Democrat in the background. And a stunning view across the top there. Alright, sitting at the top of Mount Democrat. 138. First floor. Back down off of Democrat, just came off the peak. Amazing to see, just right there. Remnants of an old mining camp building there. A little over 14,000 feet. As you can see in the background there, right there, that's Cameron. And below, that's the saddle that I have to go back down and then climb back to the top. So, a little ways to go, but one down. Back at the saddle. And now for the climb up to Cameron. Gonna be more air to the lungs. back over there to Cameron and 360s from Lincoln.
Congratulations, everybody.
More mining remnants. Those two areas there are pretty cool. My shadow. By, but either way, made it through all four, and I will give you a 360 of this other than my ugly face. Remnants of old mine sites. Not to mention how steep it is, but that is a lot of scree and loose gravel, so it's slow going. Actually slower than going uphill. Didn't think that would happen. Well, if you could tell from the background there, you can see that's where the parking lot's at, and I have successfully completed the Decalibron. Thank you to Mount Democrat, Mount Cameron, Mount Lincoln, and Mount Bross for not brutally killing me. Actually, it's not that hard of a trail. The worst part about it was actually coming down from Bross. The trail is predominantly loose gravel, scree, and some talus, and it definitely takes a lot longer to come down that than it did to go up the other side. So, but this was a fun hike. I really had a good time, and I hope the video that I got for you guys shows how beautiful this place is. So until next time, guys, get out and enjoy some nature and get out and hike.